Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to review about the product that is detergent, but detergent is in other form, so not like a powder. It is called Fairy Non-Biopods. Can you see it? Yeah, it is Fairy Non-Biopods. So I'll tell you more about the product. It says our best softness. So they are telling by using this product you are going to get best softness to our clothes. Huggable, soft for sensitive skin. So some people, they have sensitive skin and normal detergent may be not suitable for them, and especially for the newborn babies. So I'm telling you should go this for the Fairy Non-Biopods. Hygiene deep clean. So it cleans our clothes and it maintains the hygiene. It's a clean, gentle care and huggable softness. So few detergent when we use with our clothes become rough. So this is not like that. When you use this hairy, our clothes become clean because they clean it. It's become clean and soft, so we feel like to hugging our clothes. So they have a child lock system in this. So they are telling child lock system is there, so it's not going to get easily open. So mommies, don't worry. So when we open, we have to press it and then we have to open and we can easily lock it. Inside this pack there are 36 pods. So it's good, like before we have to put some detergent, then for the softness, this now no need to worry. Only with one pod our 4 to 5 kg of clothes are going to get clean. So I'll tell you more about the product. It's saying enjoy even more huggable softness with Fairy fabric softener. So they are telling like enjoy more huggable clothes with a Fairy. Yeah, I have been using this product for almost 1 year and I really love this product. I highly recommend. And I started using this product while my second son was born and I wanted something like for sensitive. So I wanted to, like you see, the baby is very baby skin is very tiny, soft. So I was thinking like what to buy. So when I had gone to supermarket looking at all the product, I like this Fairy Non-Biopods. So I purchased it and I tried it and I really loved it. Before that I was using Fairy liquid soap to clean the clothes. They are telling like when you are using the Fairy pot, when you're putting your clothes in the washing machine, put the Fairy pot to the bottom जैसा बोलते हैं वॉशिंग मशीन के पीछे डालने का है हम लोग को. Don't put at the entrance of the door because it can come out and your clothes will not get washed properly. It will be the other side of washing machine. So we recommend to put back of this. Can you see in the picture they have shown? Yeah. So we can wash 4 to 5 kg, means like one bucket, big bucket full of clothes we can wash with one pot. So that is such a good news. And like heavily soiled loads, hard water 6 kg plus. Flame resistance, finishness, never soak or wash clothes above 50 degrees. So they are telling never wash or soak your clothes to above 50-degree temperature water. Fairy pods versus other laundry form like wool silky pre-wash, but store it in the dry place. Non-biological laundry detergent, like they are telling danger, causes serious eye damage. So like we should try to, means not only this product, any product we should try that it should not come to our eye contact. Harmful to aquatic life with long lasting effect. Keep out away from children. So it has a child safety, but still we have to be very careful with the babies. We have to keep any detergent product away from the babies. If in eye rinse continuously with water for several minutes, if we came in contact with the eyes with this detergent, spot, we have to keep away from we have to wash our eyes for several minutes. If swallowed, rinse mouth and do not induce vomiting. Immediately call poison center/doctor. Dispose of container to an appropriate local waste system. Please note that no effective laundry detergent can guarantee suitable for the people with serious skin condition. If you suffer from unusual sensitive skin, please contact your doctor for advice. Means they are telling like any detergent cannot guarantee. I have been using this for since my child was born. I didn't get any problem, but this every skin is different. It is for sensitive skin, but still you never know. Means maybe out of 100, 1% people may get some like irritations of those few people. Our skin is very sensitive, and even this product is specially made for sensitive skin. Maybe they are not, their skin may be not used for any soap, so if it's saying it's not going to get any this, but in case you get it, please contact your doctor. If you suffer from usual sensitive skin, please contact your doctor for advice. And you may, there is like no allergy reaction for this, so it contains MEAC 110/13 LK benzosulfont, MEA loftint sulfont, C20/14 pernet, contain tretinolinol, may reduce an allergy reaction. So there is a contact number and toll-free number. So in UK, if you want to contact, you can contact it. This product is made in Switzerland, and there's a more like ingredient inside. This is 30% of anomic surfactant, 5-15% soap, 5% of non-ionic surfactant, and there is a perfume and optical brightness, and the weight of it is 867.6 gram. This is a PNG product, and it is, this box is widely recyclable, and they are telling don't break it. Like if you are planning, like I have got only 2 set of clothes, so I'll break and put it, and half usually is no, it is not recommendable, it is like not advised. Let it break, you have to use the full pot. So it's better you put your bucket of clothes and you wash it. And it's saying like how to open it. I'll show you how to open it. It's saying like push and open, and this is the one. Can you see it? This is the one. This, yeah, just with this one pot is going to give us softness. Everything is there in this detergent, liquid, everything. So what is written? It's PNG product, protector and gambler. There's a contact number if there is any of this. And you see this, it is a blue and white here. I really love it. The shape also is so amazing and so tiny. This small tiny pot is going to give me softer huggable clothes. So I highly recommend all the mommies and everyone to purchase this. See, I close and it is gone inside. The same child lock system. Wash your hand like after, and now since I've touched it, after this video going to end, I'm going to wash my hand with hot soapy water. And the same I told you, like don't try to cut it, and keep it away from toddlers, and handle it with safety. And we have to keep it stored in dry cool place. This is a PNG product, and main thing is it is 36 pots are there inside, and we are going to get soft, gentle, huggable clothes. And I really recommend this product. Please do use and comment me below. It's highly available in UK and India also. It is available on Amazon, but it is going to take higher time. I think it is available but not pot, but other products available. So I love all the fairy product. So do use and comment me. Send me a comment like how you liked it pot. Till that time, bye, take care. Do like my video, share. Bye.